What is up, everybody? Today is a very exciting day. As you can tell from the title of the video, it's delivery day. So that being said, you might be wondering where I am and what I am wearing. This is a suit, obviously, and I'm at Steele Hyundai. So I actually recently started a new position. I got a new job. I'm a sales guy here at Steele Hyundai. So if you guys don't know that, that means that you're not following me on Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. So if you're not, go ahead, follow right here. And if you're in the HRM and looking for a new or used vehicle, we have a huge used lot, and we can order you in a new vehicle any day of the week. So you can come visit me at the Steele Hyundai store on Kemp Road. Address is here. Before we get started, I really want to shout out a couple of people. So Matt and Mike were they're my managers here at my new spot. They've really supported me with the social media stuff, and they are actually allowing me to bring this car into the showroom, which is not Hyundai, and I'm very excited for that, and I'm very grateful for them doing that for me. So just a big thank you to those guys. So I'm actually looking at the car right now. It is right behind you guys, and I'm very excited to show you. So let's not beat around the bush anymore. Without further ado, here is my new daily driver. So this is it, my 2016 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport. I'm super excited for this car. I've wanted a Q50 for a little while. I was actually looking for one for the past few months. Turns out we had one come in, and I was lucky enough to just take the opportunity to grab it. So this will be a new build. I do have some plans for this car. Obviously, this is my new daily driver, so it won't be an instant thing. And that being said, the 240 is not going anywhere. Don't worry, that'll still be my main thing, my pride and joy, my entire life. But this will just be a little add-on to it. I actually have an exhaust coming this weekend, and I ordered some interior carbon fiber stuff. Plans for this, I really want to put it on bags. I would love to have a bag car, and I think this is a perfect setup for that. When that may happen, I don't know. But that is the goal, is to put this on bags, have some cool wheels, carbon fiber bits, lip, wing, that sort of thing. Make it look really nice and drive pretty good too. Definitely needs the exhaust. So this weekend I'm just doing a muffler delete. Maybe it's this weekend, maybe next weekend. I'm actually buying Alex Courage's old muffler. And I actually had a lot of support from some people online. Main guy who helped me made me want to buy this a lot is a guy named Fades by Fish, Ben. He's my barber, and he's a good friend locally here. He has a Q50 as well. I actually tinted it, and he really, I don't know. When I saw that car, I knew I wanted to get one, and he's just kind of been by my side, like, so are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Like, you know, hyping me up to get it. Also, this weekend, hopefully, if Nathan has time at the shop, I'm gonna bring this in and tint it myself as well. I'm thinking 50% windshield, 20% all the way around, or something like that. Haven't decided fully yet, but it's definitely getting some tint. So I have a lot of plans for this car. I'm very excited to see what happens with it. The guys in the shop gave me a new MVI, which is really nice, and I got a fresh detail, which is sweet as well. It's a super comfortable car, and being the Red Sport, it does have the VR30 twin turbo, so it's the same setup as the new 400Z, and similar platform to the R35 GTR, which is really cool. This is a very fast car. In Japan, these are known as the Nissan Skyline 400Zs, which is really cool because if you know what a 400Z is, the R33 Nismo, that's a really cool car. And I'm probably going to get the 400Z badge for this car because it looks cool, and R33 is my favorite Skyline. So, and 400Z is one of my favorite cars in the entire world. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Hate me if you want. But it's just one badge, so I'm not really worried about it too much. I do want to get the sequential turn signals. This car is just new to me. It's not a brand new car. It is a 2016, so it does have a chrome delete. We do have some other things like these winter wheels. There's some fast wheels, I think. They're just for the winter time. It does have stocks, and I actually don't mind the stocks, so for now I'm going to run those. But yeah, chrome delete, and there's a couple little like Infiniti branded stuff on the interior, which is really cool. But without further ado, let's just get into getting this out of the dealership and
It's beeping at us.
Garmin dash cam 47 right here. It does have a screen on it, a little mount. That's pretty good looking. Let's see the specs. What is that? Okay. Records, GPS, voice control, parking guard. Okay. What's this one? Mini too. Next base. I think Alex Courage has this one. 209. 209 for this one. Looking at the dash cams, I think I'm gonna pick up this, not this one. This one here. And Mason pointed out, he said I need an SD card. Mason pointed out, comes with one. But he said that it doesn't come with one, so we'll see. Because if I'm promised that SD card, I want my SD card. So I was gonna go with this one because I thought it looked nicer, but they didn't have any in stock.
Which they
they should really probably advertise that a little bit better.
Yeah.
There's also this one, this ThinkWare one, but it's a lot cheaper. So me being me, I was like, wow, why is it so much cheaper?
Yeah.
So I ended up getting this one. It was $250 on sale for $209, so I feel like it's a good deal. $210.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna get an SD card, I guess, probably. Okay, so picking a phone mount, I have no idea what I want to get. I'm thinking a vent one, but is this one of those ones? Is this one of them ones? Does it do the 360? So my vents are.
Well, look at that, and then look at the photo.
They're the same.
No. That's sideways, horizontal. That's vertical.
I need them this way.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Look at the photo. That's what I'm saying.
It's this way, and so is that.
Yeah, that's what I was.
I need it this way.
No. Look.
What are you talking? You know what? This is gonna be the one that I choose. I think. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. Nice of God.
No, that's tight, dude. Super nice cars, too.
Yeah.
What color interior?
Black on brown.
Oh, hell yeah. That's in.
Did I even put it in? Did I put it in the hole? I don't know who that is. A nice guy.
Oh. Whoa. Use the force, man.
Jack W. homie.
We'll put his Instagram in.
Yeah, W guy, really, overall. I don't think, though. I don't think he's winter driving the Z, but we can go and look.
We can move around.
We'll go and take a peek. I used to work here at HomeSense about a year and a half ago. And now I'm getting in my
Ooh,
wrist
340i.
mid
Infinity better.
back. So, big haul today. Got the dash cam. Next base dash cam. Mario
SD card.
for Nintendo Switch. Hopefully it works. And the vent mount. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Super excited for this car. Super stoked. Don't even have a dash cam in the 240. So what does that tell you? Cover. Why do you remove the cover? Oh, that's how you put it. Okay. All right. Got it. I'll do that after. First of all, what we have right here. Latest manual app playback. I got all the carbon fiber parts for the interior to cover the wood.
The wood was sick.
You think?
Yeah.
You're old school VIP guy though.
Yeah, I like the wood. You need to get a VIP table here.
Okay.
And then you need when you put down the armrest, it like extends off and makes a table. Like Nathan had in his Celsior.
Yeah, could do something.
Have you ever seen the interior of that?
I've been in it.
Yeah. Dash cam? Yeah. It's like a mini
Old school.
camera.
This dash cam has a touchscreen. Charge for 2 hours using supplied USB cable before use. I'm just gonna leave it plugged in. Use the default settings for best results. Press the red button. Yeah, hit me up. W Riz.
Insert the micro USB with. Oh, it's got a freaking. What is that called?
The mushroom.
Yeah. Can you see that on the camera?
No, it's not want to focus.
Whatever. You get. It. Said to stop and charge it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna listen. Fortunately, we go no further now. Whoa. Okay. All right. See, my vents are slanted upwards. You see what I mean now?
The other one would have worked.
I'm telling you, man. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to get started on this Infiniti Q50. I'm very excited. Yeah, I hope you guys are really excited. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked to get started on a build like this. It's more modern, and you know, if you guys have suggestions for what you want to see, if there's any brands out there that want to reach out and do some partnerships or anything like that, you know, reach out, let me know. This is gonna be big. This is gonna be really cool, and I'm very excited to have you guys part of the journey with me. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna try and put out more content more regularly. Again, some hiccups happened in my life. I stopped posting consistently. I was on a roll there for like a post a week, so I'm gonna try and get back to that. More content coming soon. Parts are on the way. Parts are in the mail, and there's lots going on. So hope to see you guys soon. Thanks to Mason for coming out today.
As always.
Filming. Appreciate it. That was a pretty cool experience.
Yeah.
But yeah, so thanks guys so much. I really appreciate you all. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Just like cut to, like, don't cut, but, or you can cut, but like, just like, I want to walk.
Congrats, Luke, man. I don't know. I'm gonna turn this into my own vlog. Don't know where he is. I hope the audio is not mucked on this. I think he forgot me.
Whatever, buy it in cash.
Guys, you know this would work. Right?
Not even.
Like, vertical, horizontal. Look at the.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean this.
Yeah, so these.
Nice.